movie.
Hey.
All right.
Hugs down.
Packers
Let's
won.
try to wait for 6 seconds. Gene is made of DNA, which makes up your chromosomes. A gene is a section of that chromosome or a section of DNA that codes for a specific trait. Now, a chromosome may have thousands of genes on it, thousands of sections that code for thousands of different proteins that are your traits. Your body, what your characteristics are dependent on the proteins that are coded for by your DNA. When we use letters like this, please let me finish. Like big B is dominant for black. That's just one gene on that chromosome. There's one section that goes for black hair. We use a capital B to denote dominance. Now, little b typically is recessive. We use that for recessive. And according to the little passage there, little b is recessive for brown. Now, is it possible?
You're beating around the bush.
Please, would you be quiet, please? You're being rude.
I'm not being rude.
Now let me finish and I'll answer your question. Okay. Is it possible for two parents, say of black hair, to have a blonde-haired child? Yes.
No.
Is it possible for, say, two black bears, even though black is dominant, to have a brown-haired cub?
Yes?
Yes.
Told you.
But they must, one of them, at least both of them, must carry the recessive gene, because the recessive gene is only expressed when it's paired with another recessive gene. For example, the genotype of this bear, what color would he be?
It's brown.
Black.
Black.
If the genotype, now you have genes occur in, chromosomes occur in pairs, therefore genes occur in pairs, half from each parent.
Parent.
You have 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell in your body.
That was 20.
46.
26.
23 came from your mother and 23 came from your father. Please be quiet
I'm
or I'll send you out of the room.
So honest.
You're being obnoxious.
No, I'm not.
Just be quiet.
Okay.
Right. What color of bear would that be?
Brown. Black.
Black, because black is dominant. The only way you can get a brown bear is if two recessive genes match up. So, is it possible for this cross
Nigger.
What?
Big brick, little
way
brick.
that two black bears could have a brown cub.
Cub.
Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that one out of every 4 cubs is going to be brown.
Brown.
They could have all brown cubs, but the chances are very unlikely. It's that the odds of an offspring being brown is 25%. Just like one family may have all girls, because every offspring has a 50-50 chance of being a boy or a girl. You can flip the coin 3 times. Every time it comes up heads. Anyway, so what's the correct answer before I answer your strange question? What's the answer to this? Look at the answer. Both parents are homozygous for the black fur trait. Is that possible?
Balls.
Both parents are heterozygous for black fur. That's the one. It's G. So all you have to
Dickhead.
put for your answer is 1130. Both parents are heterozygous.
Cunt.
And you get credit. Now, politely let me finish and not interrupt. Is there any questions you'd like to ask?
I got one.
It went to the back of my mind, but it will come back up soon. So.
Because of misquotation cross or misdivision, they have like an extra chromosome.
I have a question.
An extra chromosome, like they might
Olive.
have X, X, Y.
Olive head.
Yes,
Why are you so beautiful?
yes.
Wait, hold on. What happens whenever like a retard, like you get like a mentally down?
There's several, there's a multitude of reasons for
Have you
that.
ever-
One genetic reason
Like,
is because
are the
the cell
chromosomes-
does, the chromosomes, when they split, they don't split properly, and the offspring has an extra chromosome, and that results in what they call monomorphism.
So that's like, look, look at talking. Okay, like, yeah, sorry, I was putting them on. Anyway, so like, because there's 23 chromosomes, like, one goes to one parent, one goes to here, and one goes to there, and another parent. And then so like, if things from one parent is like 24, and the other one is like...
Chromosome will survive
Nigga.
abnormal.
Alright, thanks Mr. Rollins for listening. What about Siamese twins? What happens
Siamese
there?
twins, when you have one egg,
I think Siamese twins have sexual intercourse.
it doesn't divide completely,
I didn't see
and there'll be two separate cells that are stuck together.
Nigger. You know, why you always laugh like that? Nigger.
Guys, I apologize if I seem a little cross
You're
today,
laughing really hard.
but I have, it's because I have something very, very important to explain to y'all today, and it doesn't have to do with the subject matter, it has to do with your grading policy. And it's very important that you listen to this and pay attention, and that's why I don't want anybody laying around or sleeping, because this will raise your grade significantly, like 5 or 6 points in 6 weeks if you listen. Now, what we decided to do, I may have already told you this, but it's a short date, I'm going over it again because it's a good opportunity to do so. Get your attention.
No, I have goosebumps. What causes goosebumps, Michelle?
And hopefully make your life easier.